Hello crafty friends! Today's card is using parameters from the latest episode of Craft Roulette. So for this week's card, I gathered up some supplies off camera and I did a little stuff ahead of time. But the first thing I did was when they talked about the parameters and they talked about West and it being Cactus, I thought of this kit that I have that I got from, like, it was like a warehouse box from Simple Stories, and I knew there was a bunch of cactus in it because I remember saying, what am I going to do with all these little cactus ephemera? Funny enough, I'm going to be able to do a scrapbook page with some of the cactus because my son went to this little make your own succubus little jars with a group of friends, and now he has a little cactus that he kind of put together. So I will be scrapbooking a page of that, but I still have quite a few cactus that is in here. So I pulled some out, and that's going to be my West parameter. So the next thing I did was for rainbow, I went to my scrap pile and I found this. The reason it's in my scrap is it didn't print all that great, but it's going to be in the background in this card, so I thought that it would be okay. I think I might ink the edges just to help, but you see all the lines? I don't know why I printed like that. I mean, it kind of looks like a texture, so, you know, I thought, why not? So then I have this sentiment that I plan on putting somewhere, and I had cut it in a flag. I think I'm going to trim a little off the top, though. And then the next thing was, because it's a easel card, and here are my cactus. Now that had paper cactus and then chipboard cactus. So I thought that was fun because it gave it some different elements. And then I printed this. So this and this, well, not these, but this and this and this were on the same paper. And I printed it out and then I cut it. So this is going to be my easel. This is actually going to be the inside for my black and white. And then the other plan I have was I printed that out, and then I used a die to cut a bunch of these, and I'm going to stack them. So it says have a happy birthday, so that my easel, that'll be the spot that holds my easel. And then this is going to be on the front, and it's a little smaller so that it will pop up like that. So that was my plan, and I think it's going to be a cute card. I have cat hair on my desk, as I almost always do. So I think it's going to come together really quick. I think the longest thing that really took, that was really going through all the ephemera and pulling out the cactus. I think that's what took me the longest. And because once I decided I wanted to do the cactus, because I knew I had a bunch of these. I mean, I think there's like 6 more cactus in that ephemera. So once I decided that, I went online and I Googled cactus cards. And then there was a bunch about like hugging, which I thought was really cute. But I thought this was cute. May your day be on point. Have a happy birthday. So, all right. I'm going to assemble it and then we'll see if I met all the parameters. Just a quick break here to remind you to like and subscribe. That'd be super helpful. Thank you. Wow, that came together really fast. I'm really happy that I got to use these cactus finally because I really didn't know what I was going to do with them. Thanks so much for watching. Have a crafty day.